This might be my last package from Menlo Club that I'm going to unbox on my channel. Hello Charles Angels, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today, this might be my last Menlo Club unboxing. So unfortunately, it's been probably like 2.5 years that I'm subscribed with them, and that I filled up my cabinets already. It's full of clothes that's from New Republic, 5-4 and Grand AC, and then this is the package that I received for their July package. I just received this one yesterday, which is kind of like bizarre because it's supposed to be for July, but then they send it in the mid of July or in the third week of July, and then you received it on the fourth week of July, so it doesn't really like make sense. But anyway, hey, so no hard feelings right here. But anyway, let's open this up. So this one is the last package. This might be my last package with them because I do have a lot of stuff already from them anyway. So that's this, and we have so these are the stuff that I'm getting, and I got this there you go. So this one is the hydration multiplier liquid IV. Oh, lemon lime. We'll test this out. How is this? So today, to this package, we do have like 4 things that we're getting today. The first one is this one is so cool. The first one is the Franco slides in olive. So this is the we call this one chinelas back home. In the Philippines, we call this one chinelas anyways. So yeah, so this one is from Grand AC. So that's really cool for summer. There you go. So that's how it is. And then it's size 11 US and 45 Euro. It says in there. And then on the back, that's what you see. The front, and then on the side. So is it sturdy enough? I hope it's sturdy enough on the side. So yeah, let me check this out if that one is so yeah. So the good thing about this one, I tried it on, is that there's an arch. You will see this one, there's an arch that goes on to the arch of the foot, so which is really cool. So that's that. The second one that we have is the Donatello T Heather Gray. It's a short sleeve active wear. So I like this is the material that I'm looking for from you guys. It's been a while. And then there's a pocket here. There's a zip up pocket here. So there you go. And then you can zip it up. The good thing about this one, I think it's a long one too. So yeah, so this one is from Grand AC. See the difference of this thick material than this one. This one is a Menlo. And then you can really see the big difference between the two. I just know this is 5-4 and then this is Grand AC. So that's that. So this one is called Donatello Medium. There you go. And then this one is from Grand AC. So that's the second one that we got. The third one that we got is the Paolo Modern Fit short in olive. Everything is like falling. So yeah, so here's the shorts that we got from them. And then this one is called Paolo Medium. So it's a Paolo medium one. There you go. And then this one is Grand AC. And then you can really tell that the material of this one is way different from the material that I'm getting from 5-4. It does have the pocket on one side, pocket on the other side, and another open pocket on the back, and then there's a string in front. So that's that. So this is good for summer. And then the last one, the fourth one that they have for us today, Richie hat in black. So this is the Richie hat in black. Because there's something inside. So I don't know if I'm going to take it out. I think so. So this one is the from 5.4. It's 100% polyester. So mesh on the back, and then solid on the front. So that's that. I don't really usually wear a cap, but because it's different. Look at that. I'm a different person. Or we can do this. Hey dude. Hey. Do I look like a gangster to you, huh? I don't like this. So that's that. Probably we'll just do this one as a giveaway or something. I don't know. But so that's the one that I got from Menlo Club for the month of July. We do have just a recap. We do have the sliders. We do have the shorts. We do have the t-shirt. And I don't know, there's like 4 things in there. I don't know what's that for. But yeah, 4 circles. So this is the favorite thing I have within this package. And then of course the Grand AC. It's a Grand AC on the side. The Grand AC hat. So that's it for all, for today. Comment below. Let me know what you think of this package, and then what do you think about the subscription packages. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Should I continue with Menlo, or should I just go somewhere else to see what other subscription package can offer us or can offer me for my wardrobe. So let me know, comment below. I really want your opinion on that. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Love you all. Thank you very much. Do what makes you happy. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. What are you waiting for? So subscribe. Anyway, and then hit the notification button so that you know if I do have new videos that come up. You're the first one who will know about it. And then like this video. Sharing is caring, so share this one to your friends, your family, your loved ones, your people. And then you can follow me on my Instagram, at Charles California, on my Twitter, unbox me, and on my Facebook, it's gonna be Charles California. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, have a wonderful day. This is Charles California signing off. Bye.